Put your salmon in a bag, cut it up, and then you either use some flour. You can also use some egg if you want. And I'm also going to be putting the salmon inside of the flour. Then you're going to use some canola oil, or you also can use olive oil. And now it's time to put it on. About 8 is good, not too high, not too low. Make sure the grease is hot. And then go ahead and put your nuggets in. Just lay them all in the skillet. Okay, now let them brown. Once they brown on one side, you'll turn them over. And you can be able to see, just check them to see if they brown. Okay guys, now I am about to turn them over. You can see they kind of browning and they smelling good. So we're going to get them turned over, let that cook, and then we'll be done. And when you're turning them, be very gentle. Okay guys, now we are cooking it on the other side. I already made my coleslaw and fries. Now we're just waiting on the nuggets. Cook them thoroughly. Once they're done, we're going to put them on a paper towel and a plate. Use a real plate because it's going to be hot and you don't want to use a paper plate and it comes through. Put your actual paper towels too. That's going to drain the grease. Okay, it's done.